Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Tech Miracles. Today's our video is about how to create a simple calculator using ASP.NET. For that, we open Visual Studio 2019. Then select Create a new project. Then Windows Form Application. Click Next button. Select a project name. I select Calculator as the project name. We can also change location. Then click Next button. Then click Create button. Get a new form. Click on the form and select property window. Then change its text to calculator. That will display on the title bar. Resize the form to the calculator size. Adding some buttons and a text box to the form. Zero to 9 numbers and plus, minus, star and slash for subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Dot for fractional value. Equal to for result. And clear for clearing the text box. Select text box property window and change its ID to TXT display. Select a button, change its text to number 1 and its ID to BTN1. Select next button, number 2, ID BTN2. Like that, change all the numbers, ID and the text. Select the dot and text dot ID BTN dot plus, minus, star and slash. BTN plus, BTN minus, BTN sub and BTN mul. Clear and equal to BTN clear, BTN equal to. Then click BTN1, number 1. Double click on the button number 1. Then generate number 1's click event. Create some global variables. One character variable, char-c operator, and two integer variable, I number 1 and an I number 2, int I number 1, comma, int I number 2. 3 are global variables. Then btn1's click event, just display our text box dot text plus equal to new number 1 dot to string plus equal to for appending if there is anything in the text box. Button 2's click event, just display dot text plus equal to 2 dot to string semicolon. Please click event, txt display dot text plus equal to 3 dot to string, like that, 0 to 9. Same for the button dot. Clear. btn divs click for division. I number 1 equal to convert dot to in 32 txt display dot text semicolon, converting test box value to the number, integer number, I number 1, and C operator equal to operator slash semicolon. btn plus click I number 1 is equal to convert dot to in 32 tst display dot text and C operator equal to plus, like that, plus minus star, and then clear buttons click tst display dot text equal to null string semicolon. Then tst display dot text equal to null. For all the operators click plus minus div1 slash mul, getting one number, then clearing the test box value. Then equal buttons click btn equal click I number 2 equal to converted to in 32 tst display dot text. We use a switch statement for the operations. Switch the operator case plus colon result, I result. I result is also an integer variable. It's a global variable. I result equal to I number 1 plus I number 2 tst display dot text equal to convert dot to string I result, converting integer variable to the string and then displaying on the tst display text box. Then break case slash I number 1 slash I number 2. Result is storing in I result, converting I result, then break case minus I number 1 minus I number 2 and result store I result, then convert and break case star I result equal to I number 1 star I number 2. This convert I result and display on txt display. Then we just run. Here is some error. 15 by 2 is 7.5. This is a fractional value. We entering all the variables are integers. We have to change integer variable I number 1, I number 2 and I result are float. Instead of convert dot to in 32, we use float dot pass for converting text to float. converting convert the 2 and 32 to float dot pass. Then we get the floating point number. All the other codes are same. Just run the project. Here we get the correct value. Same number 15 by 2. Now is 7.5. Today's our video is concluding here. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much.